Experiencing trouble accessing the Optimum mobile website on your phone? This section helps resolve the issue by focusing on two key areas: clearing your cache and checking your DNS settings. Often, outdated or corrupted cache data can prevent websites from loading correctly. For iOS Safari, go to Settings, Safari, Clear History, and Website Data. On Android Chrome, navigate to Settings, Apps, Chrome, Storage, Clear Cache. For the Optimum app, clear the cache directly within the app's settings. Next, DNS, Domain Name System, translates website names into IP addresses. If the DNS server is experiencing issues, it can prevent you from accessing optimum.net. Try toggling airplane mode on and off to reset your network settings and flush your DNS. If that doesn't work, consider changing your DNS server to a public alternative like Google DNS 8.8.8.8 in your Wi-Fi settings. Doing so can resolve connectivity issues linked to Optimum's default DNS. These steps resolve 40 to 50% of reported issues, especially those related to JavaScript rendering errors caused by corrupted cache data. If clearing your cache and checking your DNS settings doesn't fix the problem, the next step is to check for wider service outages affecting Optimum Mobile. Use websites like Down Detector, visit the Optimum status page, or check Optimum's social media channels like @OptimumHelp on Twitter for real-time updates. Keep in mind that outages often stem from server overloads or maintenance, which are normally resolved by Optimum. Regarding future trends, AI chatbots are increasingly handling support queries, automatically suggesting cache clears or DNS flushes. As 5G expands, outages are becoming less frequent due to distributed loads. By 2026-2027, expect fully integrated app diagnostics that auto-resolve cache and DNS problems without requiring the user to take action. If the troubleshooting steps here do not resolve your issue, contacting Optimum support is recommended.